Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Katrina and today we are back for a new video here in YouTube. My gosh, it's been a while. This has been the most requested tutorial that I've ever received. I also get a lot of compliments about my hair. So today I'm gonna show you how I style my hair. So I'm gonna show you how I get to have these beautiful big waves or curls. And to give you an idea, today, this is actually already the second day since I styled my hair. So if you wanna know how to get this hairstyle, then please do keep on watching. Right after my evening shower, I wrap up my hair with this microfiber hair towel that dries my hair gently and is super soft for my hair. Then I lightly brush them starting from the ends all the way up. Using the pre-styling dryer of my Dyson Airwrap, I will dry only the roots of my hair. It's important to make sure that all the roots are dry since these won't be heated by the curling tool later. I like to keep the rest of the hair a bit damp. Then another quick brush before I split them in two parts. I am using the Kerastase Nutritive Polishing Nourishing Milk to protect my hair from the heating tool. In this particular hairstyle, I am using the 30mm barrels for a voluminous curls. For the right part of my hair, I'm using the barrel with the arrow pointing to the right. Starting from the back, I take a small portion and heat them up for 8 to 10 seconds. Then I press the cooling effect for the next 5 seconds and release. That should create a perfectly tight curl, but don't worry, I promise you this will look prettier later. I am repeating this technique to the rest of my hair. 8 to 10 seconds full heat, then 5 seconds with a cooling effect. And voila! When this part is all permed perfectly, I change my barrel for the left part of my hair and do the same technique. Again, take only small parts of your hair to create more volume. 8 to 10 seconds full heat, then 5 seconds with a cooling effect. And we're done! Just kidding. For the fringe, I'm using the round volumizing brush, curling it upwards. Heating up for 5 to 8 seconds, then cooling for 5 seconds. And this time, we're really done. I'm actually going to sleep in with this hair and I'll update you tomorrow morning. Bonne nuit! Bonjour! So, I just freshened up, but I didn't touch my hair. This is the situation right now. It's starting to loosen up the curls. And now what I do is I use this organic argan oil that I got from Morocco, but I'm sure you can use any hair oil that you have. I just put like, and then I just slowly lather them on my hair. I also like to do this. I crumple the hair. You see, there are no rules. You do whatever you want with your hair. So that's that. For the fringe, if I need to have it curled more, I just quickly do this one. Most of the times I just let it be. Also, if it's all to stick together, I like to comb it with this type of comb and you just brush it like that. But most of the time I just use my hands actually. I like this type of curls because it's not too perfect. You don't see perfectly curled hair. It's all like kind of messy actually. And I like it. It has its own attitude. It's unique. So yeah. And one thing that brings volume onto my hair is, apart from the haircut, of course, my haircut is layered, but it's not like long layers. It's all short. Like the shortest would be here and then the longest is here. So it's not like from here or there. But I know that what brings volume with this hairstyle is when I curl it like in small batches. Because if you curl it in big batches, it becomes flat. So that's it for today. I'm gonna spend the rest of my day outside, and I'll update you maybe later today. And then tomorrow I'll show you how it still looks like, it's still pretty and everything. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bonjour. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Today is day 2, reporting live from... Just kidding. So this is our update for today. I obviously have freshened up, but I didn't touch my hair, nor wash it, or put anything, neither combed it yet. I'm just gonna give you a raw update. Look how the waves have become even bigger, which I love. Yes. So on the second day, if I feel like my scalp is starting to feel oily, I just spray in this refreshing dry shampoo from Kerastase. I'm gonna show it to you. But actually for the moment it doesn't feel greasy at all. One, because it's winter here, and yesterday I didn't really do physical activities. But I'm gonna show you how I will put it. That's that. Also, sometimes I feel like it adds volume here again. It doesn't go flat. Now on the second day, I don't normally apply another oil, otherwise it's gonna feel heavy on the ends of my hair. But I have this product from the Philippines. It's called Vitres Hair Cuticle Coat. Vitres. My gosh, my French accent is really there, huh? Vitres. Vitres, no? I don't know. But anyway, it's a hair cuticle coat. It doesn't feel heavy. It just makes this little hair here flat, but not too flat. And I'll just do the same thing. I brush them like that. So today I don't comb it. So the curls are still there, the waves are still there. You see? There's volume again. And again, if I want the fringe to have more waves or volume, I just have to blow dry it again. But at least I don't have to do the entire hair. You know what I mean? Only the fringe. Should we do that? Let's do that. Chilling. Either we do a side bangs, or if we split it into two, we call this curtain bangs. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love my hair. You see, I only have to do the bangs and the rest is the same. Low maintenance, I would say. What I also like about this technique is that I don't have to spend so much time for my hair for the rest of the days, you know? I spend it one good time in the evening, also not in the morning. So by the time I wake up the next day, my hair is ready. You know, I don't have to wake up earlier just to do my hair. I prefer to spend more time in bed to sleep than waking up way earlier just to do my hair. I mean, come on. So yeah, that's the update. I know normally it will still last me tomorrow, these curls, but I'm not gonna make another video for tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you like this technique, and I hope that you get to try it as well with your hair. Let me know how it works for you. Obviously, it's different for everyone. One is we have different quality of hair. Second, the environment you're in, the type of activities you do during the day. because of the humidity, the grease in your hair, and everything. But yeah, I hope I am able to answer your questions and curiosity about how I do my hair. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bisous.